letting Rose out. Get in there, man.
Oh my God.
Right in here.
Can't even see it. Okay, stop. Oh, shit.
Now you want taking that off?
I'm not gonna be able to get my hand in there.
So,
Hold on. Just wait. I see it.
do you want me to take these top ones off, make it easier?
No.
Because what I was going to do was take the actual steps off and bust that concrete out.
Okay. The problem is how am I gonna get it out? I've got it in my hand.
All right, so I'm going to have to pop that piece of concrete right there where you're at to slide it out. Yeah.
Well, I have a hold of it. I don't want to let it go.
Well, if you let it go and it climbs back, you still got access to grab it.
But if you hit it, babe.
Here, just let me take the steps off so you can actually get in there and grab it.
It's very dirty. It's very weak.
Hold on, baby. We're coming for you.
I haven't even fed the ones downstairs yet.
Here, come here. Change plans. We'll do this. A little bit different. Come here. See if you can. Hold on. I gotta get this one off.
No, it's solid.
Fuck. All right.
It's right here. Right here. Right here.
Yeah, I can't get it out. Hold on, baby.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
There you go. Now you should be able to get into it. I was going to pop this right here because it's little. Is that the only one?
I don't know.